Here we go again, my car's not starting. Nothing. Nothing. My photo's right here. That's all there. Nothing. Try it again. Nothing. In front of Walmart. Just bought something right now. And here's my car. Finally started. Took about 7-8 tries and it finally started.